In this video, we'll show you how to change the turn signal switch on your Chevy Silverado. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Using a car trim removal tool, remove the cover from the gear shift lever. Unclip the plastic trim on the gear shift lever side. Perform the same operation on the side of the turn signal switch. Lower the steering wheel to remove the upper plastic trim. Then lift the steering wheel to remove the adjustment handle. Remove it using the fork. Remove the lower plastic trim. Turn on the vehicle's ignition to turn the steering wheel to access the first switch retaining screw. Unscrew it with a Torx T25 screwdriver. Turn the steering wheel to access the second screw. Unscrew it using the same tool. Finish unscrewing by hand. Then move the switch aside. Disconnect the first power connector by pressing the tab and pulling on it.
For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now.
Then remove the second connector. Using the car trim removal tool, lift the tab holding the connector in place. You can now remove the turn signal switch. You can order the turn signal switch used in the video from CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new turn signal switch and plug it in. Put it back in its place. Then screw the two retaining screws back in. Put the lower trim back in place. Put the adjustment handle back in place. Then lower the steering wheel. Put the cover back on the gear shift lever. Put the upper plastic trim back in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.